Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Working away on this old Ibanez and looky, got a busted pin. It happens. As they age, they start to develop cracks and stuff, and they can, just fail, okay? So, problem is, the other end's gotta come out. Some solutions. One is, well, we could try to drill it out from the top. We could try to hammer it out from the top. And both of those solutions, I'm not a fan of either one of those, but I do have a convenient, very quick, very easy solution for such a problem. Let me get this oriented and I'll show you. And the magic tool is this. It's just a piece of block steel that I've had for decades. Just, it's a weight, it's a whatever you want to call it, but it's mass. It's got a good bit of weight to it. And all I'm going to do is get inside there, feel around for the pin, the end of the pin itself. Okay, so I'm oriented. And if I do this right, there you go. Pops right out. Okay, easy peasy, just like that. All right, so there's your solution to broken pins, not a problem. Put new pins in, which is a good thing. If one goes, typically there's some others that are gonna go as well. So put some new pins in and you're good to go. Anyway, hope you got something out of that. Once again, my name is Steve. This is GuitarNiche. For all the new eyeballs that keep checking the channel out, thank you so much. Hope you're getting something out of it. I'm trying to be as helpful as I possibly can. All that good stuff. So, at the end of the day, as always, play loud, have fun, have a great day. Cheers.